Some long O sound has OAT ending letters, and we sound it as oat. Oat. Please repeat, children. Oat. For example, please read after me. B, oat, b, oat, boat, boat, k, oat, k, oat, coat, coat, g, oat, g, oat, goat, goat, boat, coat, goat. Good job, children! Some long O sound has O-N-E ending letters. We sound it as own. Own. Please repeat, children. Own. For example, please read after me. B, own, b, own, bone, bone, k, own, k, own, cone, cone, t, own, t, own, tone, tone. Let's read again. Bone, cone, tone. That's great, children. Some long O has OSE ending letters. We sound it as O's. O's. Please repeat, children. O's. For example, please repeat after me. R, O's, R, O's, rose, rose, O's, O's, hose, hose, O's, O's, nose, nose, rose, hose, nose. Some O sound has OAD ending letters. The sound is old, old. Please repeat, children. Old. Old, old, road, road, old, old, toad, toad, old, old, load, load, road, toad, load. That's excellent. Some O sound has OLE ending letters. The sound is all, all. Please repeat, children. For example, p, all, p, all, pole, pole, all, all, mall, mall, all, all, hole, hole, bowl, mole, hole.
Some long